2006 Toyota Sienna, one owner, 64,000 original miles, no accidents, Carfax certified, handicapped equipped. This video is going to take a little bit because we're going to show you how the handicapped option works. Third row seating, rear cargo area. For its age and wonderful condition, one senior-owned vehicle. Alloy wheels, brand new tires, brand new Goodyear tires. Cloth seating, power windows and locks, cruise control. There's the Carfax report. There's the 125-point inspection. Everything works on the vehicle, no issues mechanically or cosmetically. Third row seats have never been sat in, they've always been down. Alright, now we're going to show you how the chair works. So it's on a remote. Okay, the chair swivels out. And down. And then it comes with this little wheelchair or this little scooter which locks in. You lock it in, and then the chair can come completely out. You unlock it and unlock it, and then it has a little push handle. Sorry, we're kind of on a hill, so it's rolling away from us. There you go. So perfect caregiver vehicle. They sit in the vehicle, you back it up. Now we'll show you how to unlock it and do it again. So you pull the little handles out. Okay. You lock it in place. You slide the chair back. You unlock it again. Then it goes in. And everything's done on this remote right there. And then what you do is you store your little cart or your adapter right there, shut it, and you are good to go. '2006 Toyota Sienna, 68,000 original miles, one owner, handicap accessible.